Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can you hear me, please? All right, Jazakallah khair. So let us start. Today is 13th B. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa salatu wa salamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Nabeena Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. So it's grammar time, and before we start the grammar, I am taking this Kahoot, 1411759. Please join the Kahoot. One four one one 759. Well, the reason I am starting with this, this is making unnecessary music. Yes, I think now you can hear me. That was the wrong button that I pressed. So Jazakallah khair for alerting me. Okay, so please make sure to revise previous lessons. Otherwise, you may forget, what you have been learning. Some people say, well, I did this course, then I forgot. No, it should not be like this because you are praying every day. So make sure that you revise those meanings. Otherwise, it's a big, huge loss, huge waste of time and efforts that you're doing. And the best thing, in fact, the ideal thing is to continue. No, you should not stop at this one because you have just started the study of the Quran, and Allah chose you to be student of the Quran. So don't tell Allah, oh Allah, you chose me wrongly, I'm not the right person. No, you should continue, and everything is so easy, subhanallah. So let us just take 3 questions from our previous lessons. Translate. Fa'alta hadha. You know fa'alta and you know hadha. So what is fa'alta hadha? Very good, mashallah, majority got it right. Fa'alta means you did. Hadha is this, you did this. That's very good. I did, what is I did? Let's say I did is fa'al tu. I'm not fa'altu, I'm fa'altu. I did it, okay? So fa'altu means I did this. And you did this. Well, I think this is a mistake. So this is also right. You're right. Sometimes, it's crazy things happen. In fact, we designed it today only. So this is also right. Okay, this is also right. Sorry for that. And then I do this. Well, that is something else. Af'alu. Let us take the next one now. Next one is ma khalaqta. Ma khalaqta. Ma khalaqta is you did not create. Excellent. I'm very glad to see that majority got it right. Ma khalaqta, you did not create. And you do not create is la is negation. Takhluqu. Sorry, la takhluqu means you do not create. La takhluqu. La takhluqu. Okay. And I did not create. Ma, mazi is negated with ma khalaqtu. Fa'altu, khalaqtu, ja'altu. Tu means I. So ma khalaqtu, I did not create. I do not create. That will be present tense. Negation is la, and I create is akhluqu. La akhluqu, I do not create. Okay, so please don't forget the past works. All right. So let us take the next ones now. The last one. ذكرت ربك. ذكرت ربك. Dhakarta is you remembered. Very good. Rabbaka, your Rabb. So this is correct. And you remember Rabb. Of course, your is missing. Rabbaka. So this is your Rabb. And you remembered Rabb. Here also your is missing. Okay. Dhakarta. You remember means tazkuru. Okay. This is present tense. Tazkuru mudare. Tazkuru. You remember your Rabb. Tazkuru Rabbaka. Okay. Tazkuru Rabbaka. So you remembered your Rabb is the right answer. Now let us take today's lesson. We are doing mudare of yansuru. Yansuru means he helps. Yansuru, he helps. Yansuruna, they help. Okay. Tansuru, let me just see if you're watching this screen. Yes, okay. Tansuru, you help. Come on. Okay. Tansuru, you help. Ansuru, I help. Tansuruna, you all help. And nansuru, we help. So Don't forget the Madi. Nasara, Nasaru, Nasarta, Nasartu, Nasartum, Nasarna. Yansuru, Yasir, Yansuru. Ya is, Yasir on your right, working, helping. Yasir, Yansuru, Yasirun, Yansurun. The plurals are uns, uns. And Tansuru, you Tawfiq. You cannot call me Tawfiq. Tawfiq, Tansuru. You, Tata, Tawfiq, Tansuru. Ana, Ansuru. Okay. And Tansurun, that's the plural, and Ansuru. All right. And hal tansuru, are you helping someone? Then you will say, Naam ansuru. Yes, I'm helping. Tansuruna, are you helping? Hal tansuruna, just take that noun, put it here. Naam nansuru. All right. So that was about yansuru and tansuru. And then we have khalaqa. Khalaqa means he created. Okay. Khalaqu, they created. Khalaqta, you created. Khalaqtu, I created. Khalaqtum, you all created. Khalaqna, we create. This is Madi. And the Mudari will be yakhluqu. Yasir yakhluqu. Yakhluqun is plural. They create. Takhluqu, you create. Akhluqu, I create. Takhluquna, you all create. Nakhluqu, we create. And if we want to negate it, because nobody is creating anything, only Allah creates. We did not create even a fly. So فعل ماضي is ما خلق ما خلقوا ما خلقت ما خلقت ما خلقنا, and فعل مضارع is لا يخلق لا يخلقون لا تخلق لا أخلق, and so on. And ذكر and عبد are on the same style. So فعل ماضي, فعل ماضي ذكر ذكروا ذكرت ذكرت ذكرتم ذكرنا, and مضارع is يذكر يذكر يذكرون تذكر أذكر تذكرون نذكر. And similarly عبد means he worshipped. عبدوا عبدت عبدت عبدتم عبدنا, that is فعل ماضي. Okay. And this one is يعبد يعبد, he worships. يعبدون تعبد أعبد تعبدون نعبد. Okay. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Okay. عبدنا is we worship. نعبد is we worship. Okay. عبدنا, we worshipped. This is فعل ماضي, done, finished, we worshipped. And نعبد, we worship, we will worship, we are worshipping. It depends on the sentence and you will get it. And for example, هل تعبد, are you worshipping? You will say نعم أعبد, yes, I am worshipping. Allah, because word Allah is object in the sentence. So هل تعبد Allah, are you worshipping Allah? I say نعم أعبد الله. هل تذكر الله? نعم أذكر الله. So you can make a lot of sentences with these construction. So let us go to Kahoot now and continue our questions. So this is the grammar part, 13b. And the first question is, multi-selectors, you got to have multiple answers. Translate tansuru. So there will be more than one answers. And then you press submit. Multi-select, I did not realize that earlier, but multi-select is you have multiple answers. Okay, the multiple answers are you help, yes, and you will help. Because it is present or future. You help or you will help, both are correct. You helped is wrong because you help means nasarta, that is madi, nasarta. And you all help is tansuruna. Okay, so let us learn from mistakes also. Even if it is others' mistake, okay, you should learn to translate. Okay, we have new people, mashallah. So multi-select, again, you got two answers here, yadhkuruna. So if you answer twice, you will get full marks, otherwise you will lose. Or thrice, whatever, as many numbers are there, you have to pick all the right answers. If there are 3 right answers, pick 3. If there are 2 right answers, pick 2. Yadhkuruna. Yadhkuruna, yes, they remembered. What is they remembered? This is dhakaru. Okay, they remember. Ooh, fail madi. Remember that ooh sound? Dhakaru, they remembered. And you, well, you is starting from tansur, so tadhkuruna. This is tadhkuruna. That's not correct. We are saying yadhkuruna. So they remember or they will remember. Both are correct. and both should be selected. Okay, multi-select means you got to select more than once. All right, so let's take the next one. It is also multi-select. يخلق. يخلق. يخلق is he creates and he will create. Okay, two answers. He will create and he creates. That's the right answer. And they create will be يخلقون una, and you create will be تخلق. So that's not right. Okay, that's very good. I'm happy you are, mashallah, selecting correct answers also, multiple. Okay, translate na'budu. This time we don't have multi-select. Na'budu, iyyaka na'budu. That should be very easy. You say it every day, so many times. You see, this is wrong. Worshipped means, we worship means abadna. Okay, abadna is we worshipped. Na'budu, we worship or we will worship. This is right. And I worship will be a'budu. La a'budu ma ta'budun. A'budu, I worship. And he worships will be ya'budu. Okay, so let's not mix the words and meanings. Okay, so here we are. Let's go to the next question. Translate you all worship. You all worship. So anybody sitting in the front will be Tawfiq. Okay, so Tawfiq, it will be starting with Ta. And all plurals in Muzare is Un. Okay, past tense is Zakaru. And here these plurals are Un. Right, like Muslimun, Mu'minun, mashallah. Very good answer. Ta'budun is the right answer. Ta'budun. Still some people said na'budu. Come on. Iyaka na'budu, we worship. You see, it is there in the salah every day. Iyaka na'budu, we worship. Ta'budu, you worship, singular. Abadtum is fi'al madi. Abadna means you all worshipped. It is done, finished. You all worshipped abadtum. So this is abadtum and ta'budun. Abadtum ta'budun. Abadna na'budu. Abadta ta'budu. Try to do this game. You know, in the beginning you will have some trouble, no problem. But try to perfect it because fi'al madi and fi'al mudari occur in the Quran 18,000 times. Every line will have two. So you cannot afford to mix that. Okay. So فعل يفعل فعلوا يفعلون فعلت تفعل فعلتم تفعلون فعلت أفعل فعلنا نفعل. Okay, try to go this ماضي مضارع ماضي مضارع ماضي مضارع. I think that will be an excellent exercise because you have to have control as to what Allah is saying. Is it about past tense or present tense? Now we have dialogues. Okay, so let us take spoken Arabic. هل عبدت? I'm asking you. هل عبدت? And be careful, it is ماضي or مضارع. The changes in ماضي at the end. The change in the مضارع in the beginning. ياسر يفعل, توفيق تفعل, أنا أفعل. Naam abadtu, ta will become tu. Naam, very good. Ta will become tu. This was madi. Okay, let's take the next one now. Hal yadhkuru, does he remember? So don't talk about others. Just talk about him. And if I am asking in mudare, keep it mudare. If I am asking in the past, so keep it past. I'm telling, does he remember? So you should say, yes, he remembers. So the right answer is Na'am Yadhkuru. Very good. This is the right answer. Zakara is past tense. I'm asking, is he still remembering? Does he remember? This is done, yes, he remembered. So this is wrong. And this is also wrong. Yadhkuruna. I'm asking about one person. Hal yadhkuru. So you're saying they are remembering. No, 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 no. I'm asking about one. And also tadhkurun, you all. No, I'm not asking about you or others. I'm asking about him. Okay, next question. Hal yakhluquna shay'an? Are they creating something? Are they creating? So don't talk about yourself or him or Madi. لا يخلقون شيئا. Very good. They are not creating. لا يخلقون. They are not creating شيئا. Anything. شيء means thing. إن الله على كل شيء قدير. So this is the same شيء. Allah is having control over everything. شيء means thing. So لا يخلقون شيئا. They don't create anything. Some people say لا أخلق. I was not talking about you. And لا يخلق, I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about them. يخلقون. Ma khalaqu, this is Madi. I'm not talking about Madi. I was telling present. Are they creating something? Okay, so let's go to the next one now. Man yakhluqu, who creates? This is present, huh? Answer it in present tense. Who creates? Right answer is Allahu yakhluqu. Allah creates. Allahu khalaqa is, technically correct. Allah created, but I am not asking about past tense. I'm asking about present. Allahu khaliqun is also right, but I didn't ask man al khaliq. Who is the creator? I said who creates. Khalaq Allahu, Allah created. This is also technically right, but my question was who creates. So the answer is Allah creates. Allahu yakhluqu. Okay, so let us go to the last question now. Hal tansuruna? Do you all help? So you should say, yes, we help. Tansuruna. Take the noon and put it in the front. Okay, that's a clue. Hal tansuruna? So we have yansuru, yansuruna, tansuru, ansuru, tansuruna, nansuru. So the right answer is nansuru. Come on, there is so much confusion. That's very unfortunate. I'm saying hal tansuruna, do you all help? You will say na'am nansuru, yes we help. But that shows that you have to really practice. You're not practicing, most of you. Otherwise there will be not that confusion. Na'am yansuru, he helps. No, I'm not talking about him. Okay, hal tansuruna, na'am tansuruna. That's a very bad answer. I'm asking, do you help? You're saying, yes, you help. You should say, yes, we help. Na'am nansuru. So please, yansuru, yansuruna, tansuru, ansuru, tansuruna, nansuru. In Arabic, this is the most recurring form of the verb. This is the most frequently occurring style of the verb. Nasara yansuru. So please, it doesn't take any effort as you're walking, talking, not talking, walking or doing anything other than mental work. Just keep repeating it. Yansuru, yansuru, tansuru, ansuru, tansuru, nansuru. In 1 minute, you can repeat it, maybe 30, 40 times. So there should be no excuse. So please, 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 repeat it. So let us see. Now we have reached the end of the quiz. So let's see the toppers now. Congratulations to all of you. And I am afraid our study attendance is going down. Please continue. Don't leave it. As well, congratulations to brothers Chat, KJ, and who is the topper? Chugs. I don't know who is, but and the two are Hassan and Zaina, the next two. Congratulations to all of you, and please continue. Don't skip this course. It is, I'm sure, I hope you are benefiting from it. And if you have friends, who are with you, keep reminding them to stay put, don't leave. Okay. She helps Khalid. 13b. Okay, that's a wrong question. Actually, here tansuru Khalid, but sorry for that. Actually, what is happening is we had previous versions where we had taught this part. New versions are simplified, so we will remove this question. Jazakumullah khair. What are the female forms of these? Yeah, they will come. Actually, towards the end, we will teach you. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We'll see you in the next class.